Hey guys, welcome to today's video. I am in the restroom, but no, I'm not using the restroom on camera. Actually, we have something really cool to share with you. But I'm gonna let Nancy do the talking here because I think she's the one who's most excited about this. What's going on, Nancy?
Today is laundry day, and normally laundry day is like the worst day of my existence. I'm either hauling it up somewhere or I'm having to do it in the sink and wring it all out, and it's always a big chore on the boat. So my family bought me an early Christmas present, and it's this miniature washer. I still have to haul it up to have it dried because we're in winter months. I can't hang it out on the lines, but I'm gonna get to use it. I have some laundry to do, and I'm so excited. So I'll let you see my new machine.
Yep, show us how it works. Yeah. I think we have a load to do.
Yes.
Let's show it off first. Come show the machine.
Before I put my laundry in there.
Yeah, let's show the machine.
You going in?
Oh.
Come on. Welcome to the tiny head. I put it in the shower. They said elevate it, so I put it under a basket under it.
Okay, sorry about this. Right now the audio is having severe difficulty, but we're showing the depth of the washer here, and you can see how big it is. It's like bigger than a 5-gallon bucket. Yeah, the camera is really old, 4 years old. Salt water is really hurting it. But so Nancy is showing the spinner bucket here for the dryer action.
And so that hard wringing out that I hate so much when doing hand laundry, it's going to do it for me.
That's nice.
So excited.
Speeds up the dry time here, right?
Yes, yes.
All right, so let me get one more look at the top here. Cool. So what are the knobs? What do you got going on here?
Well, I haven't really looked at it yet. This is the
Wait.
wash. Oh, sorry.
Have you read the manual?
It was very vague. I'm not even lying.
I'm the one who says doesn't read the manual.
Listen. I looked at every page of this manual. It's very vague. Here's what it says. Look. This is all how to clean it, malfunctions, blah, 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 blah. That's what the front of it is. This is what it says to do the washing. How to clean the tub. Connect the tap.
And press go. Easy enough. I mean,
it doesn't tell me anything about the buttons. So.
Well, if we've learned anything from bucket washing, it's that laundry is super simple. Fancy machines you really don't need. You put water in, put soap, move it around, it's clean. All right. So what do you have here?
So I have a load of Matt's laundry.
Oh, thank you. I get to do dirty laundry?
Well, he has the.
Oh my gosh.
He has the dirty socks right now. And I have my laundry stuff, so here we go.
Let's go check it out. I'm going to come back in again with you. Okay. Hey, kiddo, thanks for buying Mom the present. Was that you? Was that all you?
No, it was a team effort.
Yeah, team effort. All right, back into the restroom.
All right, you going to come watch over my shoulder?
Yeah, we'll watch over the shoulder.
So here's Matt's little load of laundry he has. Look how it fits in there.
Wow, that's good. And then how does it fill with water?
All right, sorry again. We had the audio issue. Again, the salt water really taking a toll on our camera. But we're talking about how to get water into this laundry machine. And it comes with this hose that you can attach to a faucet or something like that. But no need for that. We're using it in the head. So he just has this shower head right here we can use. And fill it up, 2 or 3 gallons of water, and then press start. It's super easy.
It goes.
Cool. Well, I'm going to get out of here. I don't want to get stuck in your... Well, I just want to get stuck doing laundry, so we'll leave her in the laundry room. Cool. Oh, do we... Of course, it's in the shower right now, but we don't store it there. It's really lightweight. Like, literally, it's 10 pounds to lift. Super lightweight. So we store it back in the back corner of the bedroom. We have a lot of floor space in the bedroom, so it takes up 15 square inches of floor space, so not a problem. Anyway, excited that we got that for Nancy. That's probably, for her, the worst part about living on a sailboat is laundry, because it's the most inconvenient part. It takes you back to the 1800s doing it by hand, right? So the little laundry machine, we can run it off the inverter. It's like 240 watts. It's the same as my laptop, so, which is a significant draw, but you only do it in 15-minute cycles. It's not a whole lot of electricity. Anyway, thought we'd share that with you. Hope you're having, where are we at, November? Ah, it's almost Christmas season, so hope you're having a good holiday season. And we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.